this lecture we will see rest of the option in model area clearance. So first I am going to edit it and make a copy of this and see. Okay, and so press this one. So today we will see this flat machining, and here in flat machining we have three options. One is off, second is area, and third is level. So if you will select this off option, and then you will calculate rest option I am taking as we have taken in model area clearance. So flat machining and calculate. Let's see the result. Okay, so it will show you from the front view. So you can see there's nothing importance, means it is just simple way to create. Or we have this flat machining. Okay, here we have first option is off, so it doesn't make any difference in your toolpath. And if you will select the area, so it will detect the area which is flat. So my bottom is flat, so it will create some extra step which I'm going to add. So it will create over the flat surface. Okay, and in label we can create the label on the flat surface. So let's see the difference. And we can add the multiple cut. So area will create the label at the bottom face if it is flat, and in area it will detect all the flat area 1 and 2. Here we have the 2 flat area. So first I am going to select this area, and multiple cut, I want multiple cut, like 4 cut I need, and the step over is 0.5, and just calculate it. And see 1 2 3 4, and it is only at the bottom face. And I'm going to change it now from area to level, so it will detect here and here we have the 2 flat surface. Okay, so here also we have the flat surface, so it will create 4 number of cuts with 0.4 step down on flat surfaces. So generate it. See, so here 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 we have some extra cuts on the flat surface. Okay, and here my next option is high speed. High speed will allow you to create some smooth profile. It is not the high speed machining, it is just provide you the some smoothness between the links. Here we have the links. Okay, here you can see the links. Okay, and the racetrack, this race line smoothing means if the any corner is there, that time it will create a smooth path. Let's see with the diagram. So race line will create the smooth corners. See here, here no radius is available inside, here we have some radius. Okay, first, and link, when the toolpath is linking with each other, that time we can make the links straight, smooth, or one more option. Okay, so let's see. First we will see this race line smoothing. First okay it, and hide this one as well, and this is my working. So right click here and view pick Z, so only one label will come. Now I'm going to edit it. So right click here and settings and edit high speed, and here we have the radius and racetrack smoothing. So I'm going to change it up to 20%. Okay, and calculate. See. Okay, now here we are getting the radius. And next we have, most of the time we keep this default value which is near about 5, or if you will make it 0, like off and off. And now I am going to calculate it. So see, only corners are there. So I'm adding this, and here we have the links. So links, in links it is smooth, and I want the straight, and calculate. So toolpath will link with a straight line. See, it is matching with a straight line. So in this lecture we have seen flat machining and high speed for smooth profiling. But thank you for this.